Good morning, everybody. I appear after a long time and for good. This book is about, this video is about the book Reject Me, I Love It by John Furman. Now, when I read this book, it made a remarkable difference in my life. It actually gave me a different outlook about rejections. It actually showed me how I was perceiving rejections as and how I would get my life and my body impacted because of the rejections and how much I suffered because of rejections, because of the perceptions about the rejections that I had. So I want to make a huge difference in everybody's lives. This book would be for all those people who have difficulty in taking feedbacks, or who have difficulty in taking different people's views, or having different perceptions or different views about different scenarios, and for people who think they are right, they know it all. Okay, so I belonged to that category, so I know what people suffer if you belong in that category. So please get out of that. Read this book. In this book, John has there are 21 chapters, and John has given different exercises for you to do, so that you think about those. You write them down, and actually you will start to discover a lot about yourself and where is it all coming from, because that definitely does not belong to you. These are the different experiences of your life and the upbringing, the childhood, everything. So without blaming anybody, you go through this book and realize that how it had made you a certain kind of a person, and now what can you become. For those of you who know me, and the video is being released for all those people who know me, they would be able to tell me, be able to tell that how much I shifted in my life. Yes, except my husband. That's okay. I would be reading this book in the form of, that will be an audio. There will be different pictures being displayed. I will appear in the beginning of the book, beginning of the chapter, and towards the end of every chapter, because I like that. And that's a great shift in me, because I always wanted to do that, but I never accepted it. I never said it. And after this and through this, I realized that, hey, I like this glam sham thing, and why not? Why not? What's wrong in that? I would really love to appear on screen and be an influencer and be a person who can make difference in people's lives just by having fun. I like it. So that's what my idea is, and I will be doing that for you. I will probably not be reading certain excerpts from the book, which would be where John has given somebody else's examples, that what difference did they make in their lives, because that would otherwise make it very long and boring. So I chose to not read those excerpts. And but it will be a great idea if you buy the book, so that you get to know the details of everything, whatever he has tried to explain it. I will also be using Louise Hay's work. I will also be using Louise Hay's work. I love Louise Hay's work. She's one person, through her work I really transformed as a human being. So I would also be using some excerpts from her ideologies, from her workbook. There'll be a lot of questions that I will be putting after the chapters. And, once you go through those questions, think about those, write them down, and they will really help you in long run. That's what my idea is. I will be releasing these twice a week, on Mondays and Fridays. So that would make a 2 months long commitment with you all. Since these will be on YouTube, it will be available everywhere globally. I would say this book would do really good for those people who love who want to read books but they don't read books, or also people who don't read books at all. So you don't have to read the book, you would just have to listen to this book and have a great visual appeal through YouTube, and definitely I will be there to help you. um, so you can listen to the book, you can do the exercises. The idea is so that this reaches out to you. You will just have to listen and write down and do certain exercises. Think about it. There'll be the comment section will be available for you. So you write down your comments, share. You like something, you don't like something, you approve of something, you don't approve of something. I will definitely love the rejection because I'm mastering it now. So go for it. And I would be really, really glad to see most of you, all in this book reading journey. And after this, I will keep coming. If I get a great response, I will keep coming with the new books. I think that's all from my end. And definitely great for people who love to read books and for people who love to contribute by commenting or by giving their opinions, their views, and what difference did they make in their lives by reading certain book. So I would also be sharing it time and again. And it will be great if you participate actively so that a lot of people can benefit from this book. So thank you so much. I shall see you on Monday.